mahtab. You are watching Best Belly Dance Workout, the best YouTube channel with belly dance tutorials, tips and exercises. In this video, I've prepared for you top 3 traveling steps. Before we will go to the first belly dance traveling step, remember that when we are walking on the stage, we are starting with our toes and then we are putting heel on the floor. So first toes, or you can already walk on your toes with the heels off the floor. Traveling step number 1 is the basic Egyptian step. Here we have 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. So one leg goes to the front, second leg stays in same spot, first leg to the back, second leg in same spot. So here I'm just walking with my leading leg front and back. If I want to stay in one place, then I can just add some nice moves to this basic Egyptian, like for example shimmy, or I can add hip figure 8, hip accents, or chest moves like shimmy, circles, or chest accents. Of course, we can, for example, do a turn, and when we want to change the direction, then we need to change the leading leg and start with the second leg. 1, 2, front, back, front, back, front, back. And same thing when we want to move from side to side. When I want to go to the right side, the right leg will be the leading leg. So this leg will go front and back, and the second leg will just go in one line. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now when I want to go to the left side, I need to change the leading leg to the left one. And now let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now when you want to walk from side to side and you don't want to stop to change the leading leg, then you don't need to. You can just take one step more to the front or to the back and just change the leading leg. So here I go front and back and front and back and back. And now I have changed my leading leg. Again, I will go to the back, side, back, back, and I have changed my leading leg. I can do same thing with one step to the front. So now I go side, front, front, and I have changed my leading leg. So now again I step 1, 2, front and front, and I have changed my leading leg. So now a little bit faster with this change of the leading leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I go to the front. And front. So this is the basic Egyptian step. Very useful, very beautiful. We can do many things with this. We can add various figures. And now it's time for the second traveling step. Second top traveling step is the cross step. Here we go with one leg to the side and then we cross. With the second leg to the side and then we cross. Side, step back. We just take this cross behind us. Again, side and cross, side and cross, side and cross. Just here again, remember to start with your toes, not with your heels, and to keep nice and long leg. Here we can add, for example, hip accents to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or we can add some soft element like hip figure 8, for example. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, you can also walk with the shimmy with this cross step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or we can add any chest move that we want and walk with the shimmy, with the circles, with the accents, just as we like, what will match the music. So here this cross step is very useful because we can walk really fast, or we can walk really fast rhythm, but at the same time not use too much space on the stage. If the stage is really small, then this step is very helpful. And this is the cross step. The top traveling step number 3 is Egyptian walk with the hip accent that goes to the front. So here we can move really fast and again use a lot of space or use just a little space even on the small stage. So here again we start first with our toes, not with our heels. And when just the toe will touch the floor, we are starting the accent with the hip. And then on 2, we are putting the whole foot on the floor. And now second toe and hip at the same time. And on 2, we are putting the weight and foot on the floor. So here we just go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is perfect for this mahtab rhythm. Doom, tack, tack, doom, tack, tack, and here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Just remember to start with the toes. Doom, 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 doom. So this is Egyptian walk. Here we need to mark this accent with our hip just right in the moment when we're touching the floor with our toes. Accent, 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 accent. And we still have a lot of time to add some chest moves to keep beautiful arms. And of course we can already walk on the toes. 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's up to you how you will use those moves, if you will stay on flat feet or if you will be already on your toes. These are my 3 top traveling steps. First one was the basic step, second one was the cross step, and third the Egyptian walk. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to learn more about Oriental dance, music and culture, visit page bestballetdanceworkout.com, where you can join free subscription or get access to unique belly dance programs like complete belly dance course, isolations and layers program, and 15 minutes workout. On bestbellydanceworkout.com you will find also Bellyctionary, the biggest online belly dance dictionary. If you would like to stay tuned, don't forget to click thumb up, subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications about all new videos. Thank you and see you in next tutorial.